Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to paint this really cool Dreamy Sunflower Girl watercolor. So if you guys want to know how to do that, just keep on watching. So I'm going to start by sketching the initial drawing with Prismacolor, very thin, in Crimson Red, number 745. And just going in there and just starting up the sketch and laying everything out and making sure everything is cohesive and makes sense. And just take your time with how you want to do your painting. It takes a few times for me to get it right. As you see here, I erase a lot. It's okay if you erase, just keep on going and just make sure that everything makes sense to you. I kind of had this idea about this painting about a girl who's just daydreaming about whatever in like a wallflower garden of some sort. And I had a lot of ideas about what I wanted to do, but I finally got to it and made something. So I'm going to start going in with the skin. I'm using the Koi Watercolor Half Pan 24 set that I got from Michaels and using this light orangish shade for her skin. I always go in with one coat of just the color all around my base as a base kind of. For the skin, I also like to blush the skin to make it look a little bit more real and give it depth. So I go in with her face with this red color that I kind of try to subdue within the skin to try to make her look young, youthful, and vibrant on the page. Go in with the red on her fingertips and any ends of any body parts just to kind of make sense and it looks human. Going in and coloring her lips. And now for my favorite part of the whole painting, the hair. So for this painting I had a few ideas about how I wanted to do the hair. I wanted to do something dark, but I went in there instead and did purple. I love purple hue colors with these skin tones. It really just pops out on the page for me at least. And just going in there with the lightest color and making your base. Next, I'm going in with Crayola Fuzzy Wuzzy color pencil. I feel like this color really gives, like I said, even more depth to the skin and kind of just ties it all in together and makes everything look realer. Into the hair and deepening the color of it. I wanted to do like a bluish color, so it'd be kind of like an ombre sort of effect, but I really wanted the hair to have some depth to it, contrasting to the background, which you guys will see a little bit later in the video. much life to the painting. And as you say, artists are always breathing life into their paintings and their work. I feel like this part, for me at least, really brings and ties everything together for me. I'm going in with the Pentel ink pen, double-sided, and just going in there and filling in her eyelashes and making them look full and nice. Going over the face with Fuzzy Wuzzy one more time, just to deepen everything up. Color pencil in the color dark brown, number 746. So now I'm gonna do the background of the painting. I did not include instructions on how to make these sunflowers in this video, just because I made my first video yesterday that I uploaded, and that actually explains it there, so go in and watch that. But now I'm going to layer the lemongrass leaves on top of each other to kind of make a whole sunflower wall painting, if you will. Last but not least, I'm going in with the Uniball Signo pen in white to highlight everything and kind of make everything even more real. That concludes today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys liked what you saw, please go ahead and give me a like and subscribe for more. See you guys in the next one.